Isa sa may pinakamalaking ambag sa pag-unlad ng watch market dito sa Pilipinas ay yung pagdami rin ng mga super malls na nagke-cater ng mga watch stores. Kagaya na lang nitong bibisitahin natin ngayon, itong SM North EDSA. Minsan kinilalang pinakamalaking shopping mall sa bansa bago na itatag ang Mall of Asia. Itong SM North ay pinasinayahan noong November 1985. Magdidiwang ng ika-40 taon. Welcome back dito pa rin sa Time Catcher, kung saan ang content natin ay anything and everything about time and watches. Syempre, shoutout nga pala sa mga ate at kuya natin dyan na mas matanda pa sa SM North. Kwentuhan naman natin yung mga Gen Z natin kung ano bang meron dito sa SM North nung panahon na hindi na nila inabot. Sa mga new audience natin dyan, join our growing community of intelligent watch lovers para mas marami pa tayong ma-produce na content na perfectly tailored about watches. Sana in a way nakakatulong yung ganitong klaseng content sa inyo kung nagpaplano kayong bumili ng relo. Especially kung first watch nyo ito, or if you are planning to place a huge amount of investment sa pagbili ng relo. Para hindi tayo ma-impulsive buying, and of course to always get the best value of our expenditures. Simulan natin dito sa magkatabing store dito sa Annex second level. Itong Citizen at yung The Watch Store na magkasunod nating papasukin. Unahin natin itong Citizen. Meron sila ditong Suyosa. Isa sa pinakamahalagang modelo ng Citizen. Retro style ng Citizen at sa kanyang Japanese craftsmanship, which oftenly being considered a cheaper option kung wala tayong pambili ng Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Dahil nga dun sa marami nilang pagkakahawig ng design, pero very attainable ang presyo. Ito yung best selling model ni Citizen noong late 90s. Price range from 13,000 pesos up to 26,000 pesos. Ito naman, meron din sila ditong Citizen Pro Master Geo Tracker radio controlled Eco Drive. Originally built for pilots or for travelers across different time zones. Of course, powered by Eco Drive movement on top of its radio controlled system. For context, radio controlled system is automatic, mag-a-adjust yung oras ng relo nyo kung saan man kayong lupalop ng mundo. Basta sakop ng mga designated radio or satellite sites. Ito namang perpetual calendar chronograph 88265. Based on an Eco Drive system din. Eco Drive operates via electronic system. This watch model has chronograph for speed tracking. Price around 40,000 pesos. Silipin naman natin yung kabila, yung The Watch Store. Meron din sila dong ilang Citizen watches, but this time gusto kong subukan yung kanilang featured brand, Tissot. Marami din silang available models doon. Pero I want to try the PRX chronograph, blue dial. Price around 131,000 pesos. You rarely find mechanical chronograph watch at this price segment with this good craftsmanship. Available up to 12 months installment. A lovely watch, by the way. Lipat naman tayo dito sa main building at bisitahin natin itong Multi-Time na isa sa pinakaunang watch store dito sa SM North. Meron sila dito mga popular models like Tissot, yung mga C-Star, Gentleman, different variants of Le Locle, and different variants of the PR100. With a special mention lang dito sa Tissot TXS na it seems to be inspired by the Panthero de Cartier. But syempre, more attainable price at 37,000 pesos. What is great about Tissot is they give consumers Swiss mechanical watchmaking at this attainable price segment, which is what I believe their fans love about them. Meron din silang different variants ng Aquis, which is the diverse watch ng Oris. I would like to take notice dito sa upcycle model, na yung dial ay sinasabing made with recycled PET plastic. Kung gusto nyo na yung relo nyo is may element ng pagiging environment friendly, this watch model supports that advocacy. Of course, another from Oris is their Diverse 65 chronograph. With 62 hours power reserve, that is powered by caliber 771 which is based on a Sellita SW510 movement. Siyempre, yung kanilang iconic na mga pointer date models, meron din doon. Ganda nitong Hamilton Khaki na stainless steel bracelet. Anyway, another Swiss manufacturer, Claude Bernard, which is a sub-brand of Eidos. Low-price Swiss-made watches ito. Yung Eidos, katulad ng relo ni Mayor Tiangco ng Navotas nung na-cover natin dun sa wristwatch ng mga city mayors. Price ranging from 35,000 pesos, 47,000 pesos, up to 70,000 pesos. Tapos meron din sila dong small collection ng Maurice Lacroix. Nagustuhan ko itong Icon automatic skeleton watch. Case is made with a high-grade ceramic and using a ML115 movement based on Sellita movement SW200 with 38 hours power reserve. Price around 180,000 pesos. Punta tayo dito sa Royal Time. This watch store dito sa SM North, Royal Time houses vintage and most affordable watches. This watch store alone caters about 14 watch brands. Syempre, hindi lang wristwatch ang binibenta nila dito. Meron din sila ditong mga ilang pieces ng wall clocks. Meron silang mga Seiko entry levels like the SNX, the SNK, Seiko 5 Sports Collection. Syempre, just like other watch store dito sa mga shopping malls, no, they offer installment payment terms. Meron din silang Daniel Klein, which offers decent ladies fashion watches that are very accessible for everyone. Meron ding Q&Q. QQ or Quality and Quantity is a micro brand founded in 1976, which is also owned by the Citizen Watch Company. And Bugatti, which is an Italian brand. Country is known for luxury brands like Gucci, Prada, and Versace. Pagdating naman sa relo, Bugatti represents the country very well at a very accessible price point. So when it comes to the watch store again dito sa Royal Time, I spoke with their store admins. Maganda ang price offer nila, especially if you are aiming to be a reseller of the mentioned brands. Bisitahin nyo lang sila dito sa upper ground floor ng City Center Building. Pag pumunta naman kayo dito sa upper ground floor, may makikita kayo dung store ng Wenger. They started as a manufacturer of Swiss tools, but by the 1980s, they started integrating watches sa kanilang product line. Some notable watch models that I really love dito sa Wenger, itong C-Force Chrono. Ideal for those who enjoy hiking and water activities, thanks to its durable and water-resistant design. Price at 31,200. Initially created for military operations yung mga relo nila, but now adapted as a fashion accessory dun sa mga gustong maka-achieve ng military or manly outfit and attire. Offers very attainable price point with of course the Swiss DNA. Kilala kasi itong Wenger when it comes to manufacturing quality Swiss tools, and they carry that reputation dito sa kanilang mga wristwatches. And that's the exact quality and attributes na gusto ko sa susunod kong relo. Kaya ang pinaka kino-consider ko talaga dyan is something from Swiss military. Tapos isang mabilisang silip lang dito sa Old Timex sa lower ground. Ito yung pwesto nila bago sila na-relocate dun sa upper ground floor. Abangan nyo sa next part nitong SM North. Magaganda yung bago nilang new releases doon. At syempre budget friendly. Ito yung kagandahan kay Timex that they retain that American heritage na palaging hinahanap ng kanilang mga fans. Tapos prices are always accessible. Kaya naman staple brand sila for over 170 years. So, let's wrap up muna itong first part ng exploration natin dito sa SM North. In case bibisita kayo dito sa mall na to check where to buy watches, I hope this is somehow of a help para malaman nyo ano yung mga pwede nyong mabilhan. Anong masasabi nyo sa mga na-cover nating watch stores so far? Let's try to feature more stores sa next part nitong exploration natin sa SM North. Kita-kits! God bless us all and keep watching!